Landed. Whoop. Cheers. Hey, check it out. Danny's back in a clean workshop. Well, say clean, but look, I've tidied it up, hoovered, actually cleared up all my mess. Right, first things first, we're going to get this one finished. Yep, so this one here, I've only got a tiny bit of rock to get that, so I'll blast that out quick and get that done. Now I've got something special from work that I found in a cupboard that I want to get done. First things first as well, I'd like to just say subscribe, because in all fairness I always leave it till the end to say make sure you subscribe, but then I realise that, you know, most of you have probably turned off by then, so if I say it now I've got it in, Anna. But anyway, what we're going to do today or tonight, it's late already, I'm not going to have long. I have got a bit of crinoid to finish from yesterday, and I've got this from work. This is a beautiful, if you can see it, I don't know if you can see it, a beautiful bit of baby ichthyosaur. So we'll see if we can get that looking nice by the end of the evening. Now that's not going to take too much work, I don't think. There's hardly any rocks, it's just cleaning up the bone with a bit of a really gentle Abrasive. What else have I got? Oh yeah, before we start properly and just finish the crinoid and get cracking with that bone piece, we've got, well, I've got this nodule. So big bit of flat stone, you can sort of see on the edge we've got a bit of a promise sticking out there, so I'm going to stick a chisel in that and give it a whack. Got rid of the beard, snotty nose, and beards and mustaches don't go well. That's okay, it's awful. I was like blah, blah, blow my nose and blah. It's just horrible. Not what you want, not in this current climate. It is pretty crazy at the moment. Just, oh mate, just look after each other and look after everyone, because it is pretty crazy. Googlies, don't forget your googlies. That's the noise you're looking for. Oh, balls. I don't want that. It's chamfered off a bit weird, that. Keep going. Nope. One. Well, it's made a mess of my workshop, hasn't it? Out of that whole block, I managed to get one big prom. There's still potential for some other bits in there. Just goes to show you, doesn't it? You think, you look at it and you think, yeah, be eggs, it's got to have loads in it. And you whack it down, it's got no. Terrible. Enough of that. Look at that, I made a right mess now. I had a nice clean workshop. Big pile of rocks now. Crack on. Blowing it off. That's what we've got. A couple of nights work. Not too bad. It's gone from that to that. In all fairness, I'm quite happy with that. That's, you know, I didn't used to bother with that on the beach really. But it actually abrades quite nice and comes up quite nice. I give that a hairspray. And it sounds a bit weird, but it works. It's like works like a fixative, like people who draw and stuff with pastels. They use hairspray as a cheap fixative, and it actually, it's really, and it smells nice as well. It smells like your mum in the 80s when she was going out at night. But yeah, I'm happy with that. That one's done. Next up is this bad boy. Whoop, whoop. I'm going to see how long it takes me to do that. Give that a go next. It's like such a warm feeling in the tummy. Yeah, I've got that one as well. That's quite nice. Nice belemnite moles. Got to still get this shell out a bit. It's looking a bit thin. Keep going with it. Yeah, right, I'm going to change the battery on this because I've only got 6%, it's not going to last, and I want to delete some stuff as well, so I've got some more room to get this one done later. I've been texting James, he's kept me texting for ages. I forgot what I've already said. I finished my gin, it was nice. So yeah, I'm going to crack on. I'm going to turn the power down. I'm going to turn the power down on the abrasive. It's a lot easier when you're prepping and you don't know how it's going to react to really crank the power down so it's really low. It's just giving you minimal amounts of powder. Got an itch. Minimal amounts of powder, and then you can crank it up really slowly so it's to the level that's most effective, because you don't want to damage your fossils. So that is Dan's top tip, abrasive tip for the night. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on. I'm gonna get this bad boy done. I'm really excited to do this. I think I'm on super wide. I ain't got hang of this camera yet, so I do apologise if I'm all like distorted and weird. We've got to sort that out. I've got to get better with my equipment. Got to get better with my equipment. I have got to. So yeah, right, let's crack on. Boom, boom. Getting there. Needs a bit of paranoid. It is quite worn as well. But not bad. You got all the neural arches, bit of skin, some stomach contents. Yeah, quite happy. In all fairness, it's gone. It's 12:30. I'm gonna get some sleep. Do you know what? I decided now, I'm not bothered if people subscribe, I'm just going to keep making my videos. So I've got to stop obsessing over, like, because I am. You know what you like, you know, when you post a picture online, you post a picture, don't you? Yeah, let me shift. You know, you post a picture online and you're constantly looking, oh, how many people have liked it? Oh yeah, oh look, 20 people like me. It's mad. I think I'm just going to stop looking at that. I'm going to get rid of all my analytics. No, I'm not. You know, I'm going to stop looking at them every hour, and when I get up in the morning, and just going to make content. That's my deal. So subscribe if you want. I'm not that fussed if you don't. I'm just going to keep doing it. So that's me out. I need some sleep. I've got to really get something else to crack it up. We'll see it. I can see it. Oh, what's that? There it is. It's probably one of, that's my nicest find. It's just in a pile next to a bin, covered in crap. I love it. I'm gonna get that done. I'm gonna start that next.